How to use emojis and GIFs in Microsoft Teams. Add personality and fun to your conversations in Microsoft Teams. Emojis and GIFs are a great way to express yourself without typing. Let's use emojis and GIFs on your iPhone. Open the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone. Go to the specific chat or channel where you want to send a message. Tap into the message composition box. Look for a smiley face icon for emojis and the GIF icon, often a small square with a GIF written on it. Typically located near the message input area. Tap the emoji icon to browse and select emoji. Tap the GIF icon to search for and choose an animated GIF. Once selected, it will appear in your message composer. Tap the send icon to share it with a chat or channel. Like this. You're now expressing yourself with emojis and GIFs in Microsoft Teams. Make your messages more engaging. Like and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams communication tips.